Have we overlooked the biggest secrets of our own cosmic backyard? Our solar system holds mysteries that have been hiding in plain sight, clues to lost worlds, ancient cataclysms, and unexplained phenomena. What stories does our celestial neighborhood whisper to those who dare to listen? Let's embark on a journey to uncover the hidden past of our solar system. Our solar system is a vast and mysterious place, filled with secrets waiting to be uncovered. Understanding its past is crucial in deciphering the cosmic story that has led to the world we see today. From the fiery birth of our sun, to the formation of planets and the countless collisions that shaped our celestial neighborhood, there is still so much we don't know. And that very mystery is what makes our solar system so endlessly fascinating. However, unraveling the history of our solar system is no easy task. Scientists face numerous challenges in piecing together this grand cosmic puzzle. One of the biggest hurdles is the lack of direct evidence. Much of the material from the early days of the solar system has been lost, destroyed, or altered beyond recognition. What remains are mere fragments, asteroids, meteorites, and planetary surfaces scarred by ancient impacts. These are the cosmic breadcrumbs that researchers must follow to reconstruct a timeline stretching back over 4.5 billion years. Another major challenge lies in the complexity of the forces at play. The gravitational interactions between planets, the influence of the sun's radiation, and the chaotic nature of celestial mechanics make it incredibly difficult to trace the precise evolution of our solar system. Add to this the constant refinement of scientific theories, where new discoveries often challenge previously accepted ideas, and it becomes clear why many fundamental questions remain unanswered. Take for example the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. This vast region of rocky debris has long puzzled scientists. Was it once a planet that failed to form due to Jupiter's immense gravitational influence? Or was it the aftermath of a cataclysmic event that shattered an ancient world? The answer remains elusive, but studying this region could offer key insights into the early solar system's chaotic past. Then there's Mercury, a planet so small and close to the sun that its very existence raises questions. How did it end up in such a precarious orbit? Why does it have a disproportionately large iron core compared to its mantle? Some theories suggest that Mercury was once a much larger planet that lost much of its outer layers due to a massive collision or the sun's intense radiation. Understanding Mercury's past could reshape our understanding of planetary formation. One of the most astonishing discoveries in recent years is the evidence of a massive planetary collision in the early solar system, one that may have given birth to our moon. The leading theory, known as the giant impact hypothesis, suggests that a Mars-sized body called Theia collided with the early Earth, ejecting debris that eventually coalesced to form the moon. But there are still unresolved mysteries. Why is the moon's composition so similar to Earth's mantle? Did this collision also alter Earth's rotation and tilt, setting the stage for our planet's climate and seasons? Every new piece of evidence brings fresh questions, highlighting just how dynamic our solar system's history has been. Another intriguing area of research is the role of comets in shaping the planets. These icy bodies, often called cosmic time capsules, contain some of the oldest materials in the solar system. Some scientists believe that comets could have delivered essential organic molecules to early Earth, possibly even jump-starting life itself. If true, this would mean that the ingredients for life are not unique to our planet, but may be scattered across the cosmos, waiting for the right conditions to ignite biological evolution. And then, there's Mars, the planet that has captured our imagination for decades. The discovery of water ice-dried riverbeds and possible underground reservoirs suggests that Mars was once a very different world. Scientists now believe that ancient Mars may have had lakes, rivers, and even an ocean, making it a potential home for microbial life.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever
never slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit.
Past go beyond just planets and moons. There are also strange anomalies like Oumuamua, the first interstellar object detected passing through our solar system. Its unusual shape, speed, and trajectory left scientists puzzled. Was it just a natural space rock, or could it be something more? This discovery has opened new doors in our understanding of how objects travel between star systems, suggesting that our solar system might have been visited by countless such interstellar travelers in the past. Despite all these questions, one thing is certain: the more we learn, the more we realize how little we know. Our solar system's history is filled with violent collisions, lost worlds, and hidden connections that continue to shape the universe we see today. With new space missions, advanced telescopes, and cutting-edge simulations, we are slowly peeling back the layers of cosmic history, revealing secrets that have been hiding in plain sight. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the unknown. I'd love to hear your thoughts on these mysteries in the comments below.